Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your iPhone iOS version and backing up any photos. Go to Settings General About. Once done, enable iCloud Photos or copy to a Mac so you don't lose images. You should know upfront, the Photos app is a built-in Apple app, so you cannot permanently delete it like third-party apps. Instead, you'll remove it from view and disable its access. Make sure to save important files before proceeding. Now remove the app from your home screen. Tap and hold the Photos icon, choose Remove App, then Remove from Home Screen. Once done, open Settings Privacy Photos and set app access to none. This prevents other apps from using your library. Make sure to turn off iCloud Photos in Settings Photos if you want to stop syncing. These steps hide and restrict the app, which achieves the delete effect without removing Apple's system app entirely. To finish, open Photos and empty Recently Deleted to free space. You'll need to confirm deletion. If hiding wasn't sufficient, set a screen time app limit or content restriction to block access. Once completed, double-check Settings Photos and Privacy to confirm permissions and iCloud sync are off. If something goes wrong, like photos missing, restore from your iCloud or Mac backup immediately, and make sure you haven't permanently deleted a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.